Hey everybody, it's cold and breezy outside and I want to paint this truck, but I want to get these wiper arms off. So today I'm going to show you how to take the wiper arms off. There's some little clips at the bottom that needs to be pulled away, and then you can kind of wiggle and pry it up. Now I'm painting it, so I'm not worried about the paint that's on it. Usually you would probably tape it off or put a piece of plastic or a little plastic spatula underneath it while you're prying it. That way you don't mar the paint up, but we're painting anyways. So let me show you how I take them off. There's probably someone's got a better idea, but this is how I do it. At least on this F600 I can get up in here. I'm gonna stand on my tire. Maybe on the valve cover. I'm gonna take a long screwdriver and I'm gonna try to pry the clip back. Just like so. Once you got that clip moved, you can pry up on it. That's how you get them off. So here's your clip. That clip has got to come out this way. And once you get that clip out, it comes off. Then you can rebuild these things. There's springs in there. Clean out all the goo. This hasn't been off the truck since 1973. You can see all the gook that's underneath here. We don't want to paint the truck with that on there. So that's how you get these off. That little clip has to be pulled back, and then you can gently pry up on it and they come right off. A good thing to do is put a little dab of grease on it when you're putting it back on. That way it doesn't corrode together. This one came off. Sometimes you got to do some prying. Hey, God bless you. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Now I got to get the other one off.